Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20i. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet and enter Add to Wallet. Now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. First, let's go to Transit Pass and select transit way you would like to add. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's go to Gift Card and similar to Loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.